Hello everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku in not today's newspaper. No, because today's newspaper it's Monday. Today's Monday, September the 6th, 2021, and today they have not published an additional with extra Sudoku. So I've decided to continue with the Friday edition. Friday edition, September the 3rd, 2021. We have two Sudokus left. The two-star Sudoku and the tectonic with one star. But first, we will solve this two stars Sudoku number 3353. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. And for 26 printed digits, a two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So, let's get started. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So, the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 137, 137, and look, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. So no 1 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. Let me mark those two boxes, 3 and the 7. Alright. Okay. 3. Okay. So we have a 7 in this row. 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Then. Yeah. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have the pair 1 and a 2. So the other pair should be the 3. Is missing 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing 3 and the 8. Let me mark those boxes. Alright. 8. Then. 5, 4, 4. Yeah. Okay. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this these two boxes. Here also a 3, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 8, because those two is a pair, 1 and a 2, so this box should be an 8. Okay, so we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 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 Then. 2 numbers left in this row. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more, that box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 is, no, 7 we have here, the 8, the 9 is missing, alright, 9 is missing. Alright, then. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. Look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. Okay. Then we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. The third column, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the third row, first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 1 and a 2 I've marked here. Look, I've already have a 2 here, so overlooked. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Alright. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and a 9. Then. How about the 6 in this row? The 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9 are missing. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 in this first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. We see 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Finish in 30 minutes exactly. Yes. And I'm very pleased with the time because my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I'm faster than the time limit, so I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a few seconds with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.